Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SoFi insurance marketplace features for coverage, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate the SoFi insurance marketplace features, begin by downloading the SoFi app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and log in using your SoFi account credentials. If you do not have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the insurance section of the app. Here, you will find various types of insurance options available. Select the specific type of insurance you are interested in, such as auto, home, or life insurance. After making your selection, review the available features and coverage options. You may be prompted to enter personal information to receive tailored quotes. Fill in the necessary details accurately to ensure you receive the most relevant options. After submitting your information, wait for the app to generate your insurance quotes. Once the quotes are ready, review them carefully to compare coverage levels and pricing. If you find a policy that suits your needs, select it to proceed. Follow the prompts to finalize your coverage application. You may need to provide additional documentation depending on the type of insurance. After submitting your application, you will receive a confirmation email or notification in the app. Keep an eye on your inbox for the policy details and next steps from your chosen insurance provider. For any questions or further assistance, utilize the support feature within the app. This will connect you with customer service representatives who can help clarify any concerns. Congratulations, you have successfully activated the SoFi insurance marketplace features for coverage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.